In today's time, medical inflation is rising so fast that just having a basic health insurance policy is not enough. Your policy should offer long term protection, higher coverage, practical benefits at the same time. And that's exactly why today we are going to compare two powerful health insurance plans in the market, which is Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0 and Aditya Birla Health Insurance Active 1 Max. So both these plans are considered quite strong in their category, but their approach is slightly different. So Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0 is quite popular for its innovative benefits like lock the clock benefit, booster plus, where you get the advantage of locking your premium and carrying forward your unutilized sum insured over time. And on the other hand, Aditya Birla Active 1 Max, it focuses more on a complete health ecosystem and long-term coverage growth, where your sum insured can increase significantly over time through the super credit bonus. So in this video, we will compare both plans in detail from company background to coverage, unique benefits, add-on, discounts, waiting periods and premium. And I will also share my honest reviews, so which plan may be better fit for your specific needs. So before we move ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub. And at PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you want expert guidance based on your age, family profile, medical history and budget, you can book a free consultation with PolicyHub and link is given in the description. And if you want to watch insurance details in Hindi, you can visit our Hindi channel as well. So let's first talk about the company's background and claim experience, because these are the factors that truly define the reliability of any insurance plan. So Niva Bupa Health Insurance is a joint venture between Indian private equity firm True North and global healthcare expert, which is Bupa. And the company has always been focused purely on the health insurance segment. And it has a strong network of over 10,000 plus hospitals across India, where you can avail cashless hospitalization. Its claim settlement ratio is reported to be around 92%, which is considered quite decent as per industry standard. And on the other hand, Aditya Birla Health Insurance is a joint venture between Aditya Birla Capital and South Africa's Momentum Group. And this insurer goes beyond just claim and put a strong focus on prevention and wellness. Through its active health ecosystem, it promotes a healthier lifestyle where policyholders can earn reward by maintaining good health habits and staying active. So its hospital network is also spread across 10,000 plus, and the claim settlement ratio is approximately 93%, which indicates a fairly balanced and reliable claim support system. And now if we talk about eligibility criteria and its basic feature, Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0 allow adult entry starting from minimum entry age of 18 years, and it does not have any maximum entry age limit, and this making the plan accessible even for senior citizens. Dependent children can be covered under a family floater plan from as early as 91 days up to 30 years of age. And the sum insured option range from 5 lakh to 1 crore, and you can choose a policy tenure for 1 year, 2 year or maximum 3 years. From a coverage perspective, the plan is quite comprehensive with no specific limit on room rent or ICU charges. It covers inpatient hospitalization, daycare procedures, organ donor expenses, IU's treatment, home care treatment, and domiciliary hospitalization, all up to the sum insured as per policy terms. And additionally, pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for up to 60 days and post-hospitalization expenses for up to 180 days, which make it a very practical and well-rounded benefit. On the other hand, Aditya Birla Active 1 Max also offer a fairly flexible eligibility structure. The adult entry age starts from 18 years and there is no maximum age limit. And it's also making it accessible for a wide range of customers. Dependent children can be covered from 91 days up to 25 years under a floater plan, and the family definition is quite broad, including spouse, children, parents, and even in-laws. And the sum insured option here are quite extensive, and it's ranging from 5 lakh and goes up to 6 crore, which gives a lot of flexibility in choosing higher coverage. And in terms of coverage, the plan is comprehensive with room rent, ICU charges, daycare procedures, modern treatments, mental illnesses, HIV AIDS, and even obesity treatment covered on an actual basis as per policy terms. And here, pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for up to 90 days and post-hospitalization for 180 days, which is slightly better than standard offering in the market. Now, if we talk about the unique benefits, ReAssure 2.0 has some standout features. And one of the most highlighted one is the lock the clock benefit. This essentially means that if you do not make a claim during a certain period, your premium get locked at your entry age. So even as you grow older, your premium does not increase due to age. And apart from this, the plan offers a booster plus benefit, where your unused sum insured get carry forward every year and can accumulate up to 10 times depending on the variant you have selected. And another strong feature is the Reassure Plus benefit, which allow the policyholder to claim an amount equal to the base sum insured multiple times within the same policy year, whether the illnesses are related or unrelated. Additionally, the Live Healthy Reward program encourages a healthy lifestyle by offering premium discount. And in this plan, modern treatment and robotic surgeries all are covered up to the full sum insured. And whereas in Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max, the unique features are also quite strong, but the focus here is more on building a health ecosystem and long-term coverage growth. So the company's health returns program encourages policyholder to maintain a healthy lifestyle where you can earn reward by staying physically active and following preventive health practices. And the plan also offers a super reload benefit, which allows your sum insured to be restored multiple times during the policy life if it gets exhausted. And along with this, there is a super credit benefit where 100% of your base sum insured is added as a bonus every year. And this can grow up to 500% over time, and irrespective of whether you make a claim or not. And additionally, during the recovery phase, the plan also provides limited coverage for durable medical equipment like ventilators, wheelchairs, or oxygen concentrators, which can be quite useful in real situations. And when it comes to add-ons, Reassure 2.0 offers a wide range of customization options. For example, through Safeguard and Safeguard Plus Rider, you can get coverage for non-payable items that are usually out-of-pocket expenses during hospitalization. And there is also a hospital daily cash benefit, where you receive a fixed amount per day during hospitalization to manage additional expenses. And you can opt for a personal accident cover as well, which provides a lump sum payout in case of accidental death or disability. And to reduce your premium, there is an annual aggregate deductible option where you bear a selected deductible amount for the first claim in a year and the rest is settled by the insurer. Apart from this, through the disease management option, conditions like blood pressure, diabetes can be covered from as early as 30 days. And with the tiered network option, you can also avail premium discount by choosing hospital from a selected network. And in Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max, the add-on structure is even more extensive. It's allow a high level of customization based on individual needs. Policyholders have the option to reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease as well as for specific disease, which can be a big advantage for those who don't want to wait for long coverage activation. And there's also a deductible option to help control premiums, and a preferred provider network discount is available, and if treatment is taken within selected network hospitals. And through the critical illness add-on, you can receive a lump sum payout in case of serious illnesses, and a personal accident cover is also available to provide additional financial protection in accidental situations. And one of the most useful add-on is the chronic care benefit, which waives waiting period for conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and heart-related disease, and making it highly valuable for people with existing health concerns. And apart from this, features like cancer booster, compassionate visit benefits, second medical opinion further strengthen the plan, and especially in critical medical situation. And when it comes to discount, Reassure 2.0 offers up to 15% discount for opting for long-term policies, along with around 10% discount on multi-individual policies. And additionally, through the Live Healthy Rewards program, you can achieve up to 30% reduction in premium by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And on the other hand, Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max also provides financial advantage through preferred provider network discount and its wellness ecosystem reward, which may not always be direct discount but can still offer meaningful long-term value to policyholder. And the waiting period structure in both plan is quite similar and aligns with industry standards. So in Reassure 2.0, the initial waiting period is 30 days, specific disease comes with a 2-year waiting period, and pre-existing disease are covered after 3 years. And similarly, in Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max, the initial waiting period is also 30 days, specific disease have 2 years waiting period, and pre-existing disease are covered after 3 years. However, one advantage with Aditya Birla's plan is that you get the option to reduce these waiting periods through add-ons, which can be beneficial depending on your health condition. And if we talk about the premiums, it obviously depends on multiple factors like age, city zone, family size, sum insured. For example, if a young couple is 30 and 25 years or for a 10 lakh sum insured, they are taking family floater plan, then in Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0 with titanium variant, the premium comes around 14,344 in zone 1 and 12,163 in zone 2. And on the other hand, in Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max, the premium is around 21,611 in zone 1 and 19,973 in zone 2 and 14,923 in zone 3. So clearly there is a noticeable difference in pricing depending on the plan and zone selection. If I talk honestly, both plans are quite strong in their category, but their target audience can be slightly different. If you are looking for a plan that offers premium stability, multiple claim possibilities, and innovative built-in benefits, Reassure 2.0 can be a strong option. And if you prefer a more premium category plan with focus on coverage growth, wellness ecosystem, and higher sum insured flexibility, then Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max is definitely worth considering. So ultimately, the right choice depends on your priorities, health profile, and how you plan to use the policy in the long run. And if you are still confused about which plan would be the better fit for you, you can book a free consultation with PolicyHub's IRDA certified expert, and link is given in the description, and get personalized guidance based on your specific needs and situation. And if you found this video helpful, do like the video, share it, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.